Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus 7 with a broken display and a broken back glass. Look at this. This is sad. So we're gonna replace the screen on this one, the front display, and the back glass. Although it's really broken, we can still reuse this one because here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, if you have a broken back glass, we just let it be. If you want to replace it, we can also replace that one, but this one is still usable. Just use a case cover on the back and it's good to go. So we're gonna remove this first. Let's be very careful because it's already broken. We don't want to cut this in half. And now we're going to remove the screws that's holding on to the daughter board at the bottom. As you can see, that's the battery in the middle. So this is the connector for the display, and this is the replacement display that we're going to install later on. We're just going to test it out here. And as you can see, it's working. Even the touch is also working. So we're going to proceed now to the full disassembly. So right here we can just remove the display, and it's held on by adhesive the same way the back cover is attached to the device. So David has this trick of removing adhesive residue more efficiently. That's why you can just go here in Sydney CBD and have your phone repaired in no time at all. You can just wait and have your phone fixed right before your eyes. Or not really that right before your eyes, you can just wait. That's it. You just twirl in with a toothpick and as simple as that. So we are now gonna put on fresh adhesive. This is the way we can attach the replacement display and maintain kind of waterproofness. Although we can't guarantee that this will be waterproof because it's not factory adhesive. We're just going to do this to attach the new display, although this is the best way we think we can attach the glass. So right now this is the replacement display that we showed you earlier. We're just gonna put the connector through the slot and carefully align and press. Remember, this is still fresh glue, so anything can move. So we're just gonna let it dry and cure. So if you have OnePlus 7 or other OnePlus models that you want to have fixed, maybe you dropped it on the floor, or maybe you rage quit on one of your games and you broke the screen really badly, just go on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You can leave us a message on Facebook and we can give you a free quote. And if you're outside of Sydney, you can send in your device for repair. We receive it, then we do the repair, and after we are done with the repair, we can just send it back to you. So this is the broken back cover. We told you this is going to be reused, and this is the rubber band technique that we use to let the adhesives cure on both sides. And once it's dry, we can now give the phone some fresh tempered glass, because the old one also has a tempered glass and it didn't protect the device from severe damage, although the tempered glass is still recommended to minimize at least or prolong the life of your display once you drop it. So ever wonder how the experts do that thing? How they install the tempered glass? Right here. It's just one swoop. And there you go. Yeah. So I hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow Sydney CBD Repair Centre. And this OnePlus 7 is good. Cheers!